In this video, we're going to show you how to change the rear turn signal bulb. So you're going to want to take a 10mm socket or wrench and disconnect the negative side of the battery. Open the rear tailgate or the hatch. Get a flat head screwdriver or a body trim tool, and you've got two caps right here hiding some mounting bolts. You're going to pop those open. There's a little cutout. Pry that open, and then a Phillips screwdriver. Go right in there. I'll get a little magnet and pull that right out. Just grab it firmly and pull it towards you, and you'll see the two guide pins right there. Now we have the turn signal bulb, which is located on the bottom, right here. Twist it counterclockwise and pull up. And then we have the bulb. Just give it a firm pull. And then you're going to grab your new bulb, which is a 7440. Pop it in. I always wear gloves that are clean, have no oil on them, because even your skin will have natural oils that could damage the bulb. And you're just going to slide it in, line it up with the cutout notches, and then turn it clockwise till it locks. All you need to do at this point is guide those two pins right back in the spot. Push. Make sure it's flush. Grab your mounting bolts. Replace the covers. You have one tab on the top. It's going to go in like this, and then push and lock on the bottom. You want that cutout on the bottom. Now we can reattach the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket or wrench. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.